Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve top 5 unknown data analyst interview question. In this video, we will be solving the question of Excel plus VBA, and these are the question, guys, which really will help you out, okay, for your interview preparation and for your if you're learning, if you're finding out the questions of Excel and VBA, okay, for that purpose also it will help you a lot. Okay, so let's start to solve it. So in this question number one, you guys can see in column A we have some data, and in D and E this is the required output we want in G and H column, right? So first, whatever the text we have in A column, I would like to print them in G column, and whatever the numbers we have in A column, I would like to print them in H column without using any formula. So Control G, go in special, very simple step, constant, remove the text. So all the number will get select, just directly copy, Control C and Control V, simple paste. Okay. After the text, Control G, special, constant, remove the number. All the text will get select, just simply paste it. This is the very simple step, guys, you can follow to achieve this task. Okay. Question number two. In the question number two, I would like to have the name, okay, using VB and Excel. So through Excel, let's do it first. Row here, first of all, I would like to clear the approach what I am using. So here I know I have all the names on the left hand side and on the all the numbers on the right hand side. If I will get a if I can get the length of the number, so I can simply find out the length of the text. Okay, so let's do it. Row indirect, I am finding out, I am expecting the length of the number now. Okay, length, mid, if error, count. This is the count of the number we have now. I simply, what I can do, I can subtract it from the total length of the cell. This is the length of the uh, name, right? Left, from the left side I would like to press Ctrl Shift Enter. Simple, very simple step, guys. You guys can mug up the function and formula. I'm not explaining it in a bit in a very deeply because I'm just solving it. Okay, if you guys have not, because this question I already have made the video. Okay, and if you want me, so please do comment and I will attach the link of that video, right? Therein I just explain this very deep. So let's do it through the VBA. So here I already have module. I would like to write my code in option explicit mode. Suppose here question number one, dim sh not sh cell as a range, k as an integer, str as a string. For each cell in range A2 to A, this is the dynamic range I am giving. Okay, count A dot and excel dot row. Next cell, if one more loop, one to length of all the cell. I would like to append the text if we have in our cell, right? If VBA dot is false, okay. VBA dot mid cell dot value k1. If this is false, then what I would like to have, I would like to concatenate my all the each character in the str, right? That's what I'm doing. K1 and it simple. Cell dot offset 0 comma 1 dot value equal to str, and str I would like to make it as a blank after printing one cell name. Okay, I am just directly pressing F5, having some question, VA, what I have done, A2 to A. All right, now A, if VB is numeric, what is this dot value, F5, I'm pressing F5. I'm getting Ajay, I'm only getting Ajay. Why I'm not getting everything? Why? Okay. Something wrong I'm doing. Just wait. A2 to A, cells rows dot count and xlove str numeric cells dot value k1 if it's false str VBA dot mid cell dot value A1. Then I'm printing 01 dot value str. That's what correct. We have no issue. F it. You see everything here we are concatenating here name. Why is showing name? A2. A2 is our Ajay, right? I'm getting this one. Debug dot print. Sorry. Message box set dot value. Now let's run it. I'm just checking what value it is picking. Why it's picking name if I am running it from A2 to A2 to A cells. What is this? Discount, not a column. My bad. I'm pressing F5 now. You see, I'm getting the similar value which I have, which I have done it. Let me, connect my laptop, connect my charger. First. It will get shut down. Wait. All right, so here you guys can see this as we did through the Excel function in C column, through the VBA the same output we have got, right? This is the question actually which was asked in one of our interview, and I have got this question from there. Okay, so question number three. So question number three I already solved it, but again I'm solving. So here I have some data in A column, and I would like to have a sum of each cell. Okay, for example, it is 111. It is 7 times repeated in the A2, right? I would like to have a sum of it. If instead of 111, if it is any value 2, 3, 5, 7, I would like to have a sum of them, right? How I can do that? Simply come here, row indirect A1 to A length mid if error at the rate sum of it. Simple. This is the sum I have got it, right? This is the sum. This is the sum I have got it. If you will see 5 times we have 2 in A2, and 5 into 2 is equivalent will be is that will be equivalent to the 10, right? And that is what actually we have got through the Excel function. Now let's solve it through the VBA. How we can do that? Come here, sub procedure question number 2. Trim cell as a range, A as an integer, J as an integer. For each cell in range A2 to A, cells rows dot count A dot and slub dot row. Next cell K equal to 0. I would like to do the addition, not a subtraction, not a concatenation. Okay, 1 to length of cell value. If VBA dot mid, if this is numeric, VBA dot meet. If each character I am checking here, cell dot value J1. If it is true, then what I would like to have K plus VBA dot meet cell dot value J comma 1. And I am doing here addition, and after that I would like to have here next J cell dot offset 0 comma 2 dot value is equal to K. If I will press F5, you will be able to see the similar output as we have in B column. Type mismatch. Why it is type mismatch? Integer. That's what I have. Okay, it is integer. Now I am pressing F5. You see the similar answer we are getting as we have got through the Excel, right? This is the code you guys can write to achieve this question, this answer of the question. Okay? Now let's solve the question number 4. In the question number 4, it's saying that create a form to enter employee name, designation, and salary, and insert the data in highlighted box. Basically, I would like to have one button here. If I will click on that button, I should have one user form. Okay, that user form, as soon as I am filling and clicking on update, all those details should get appeared in the highlighted columns, which is B, C, and D. Now let's do it. It's very easy. Alt I U. I'm pressing to insert the blank form. Simple. I'm not doing anything, any formatting or anything. Come here. Simple, right? The formatting that you guys can do it by yourself. Okay. So here I would like to have employee name, right? This employee name. Employee. I would like to have here caption as employee name. Employee name. And font I would like to have little bold 11. Similar, just copy and paste it for designation. Now it is a designation, right? Designation. Now directly just copy and paste, and now it is your salary. Simple salary. And now let's insert three text box. This is the text box we have. Simply come here and you can set the font setting, right? Bold 11 and OK. Simple. Copy paste, copy paste. Now I would like to have a one submit button here. This is the command button we have. Submit button. Simple. Only one submit button I would like to have. And I would like to write here submit. Submit. And font I would like to have bold. Well, simple. I would like to write the code here. Simple. Range P 10,48,576 dot and excel dot row dot excel dot offset 1,0 dot select. After selection I would like to have in active cell whatever the value I have in active text box 1. Active cell dot value me dot text box 1 dot value. Copy and paste. Simple. Now I would like to have here offset 0,1 dot value and 2, and it should be 3. Just copy it, paste it, and here I would like to do, and directly I would like to also clear all the text boxes. Blank e dot text box 3 dot value blank message box. Done. Simple. And one module, in module I would like to call it a user form number 1. Suppose question number 3, user form 1 dot show. Simple. Now I would like to have here one button. Go in developer, come here, select any button, draw it. Okay, and here we have in this workbook question number 3. Simply, and I'm writing here run. Okay, if I will click on this, you will be able to see this is the user form I'm getting. If I will write here Akash, designation AM, and salary 79,000. Okay, submit. I'm clicking on submit. You see, what I'm getting, I'm still getting. Now everything is good to go. It's okay. Again, for example, Rohit and HR and 10,000. Now let's submit. You will be able to see I'm getting all the details. So this is the pretty simple form that we have created, right? And then in some coloring part we can make it more attractive, right? So but the main objective was to teach you that how we can create simple user form in just a few minutes. Okay, now let's solve question number 5. So here you guys can see I have duplicate order numbers in A column and I have the names in B column. For example, in order number, if you will look at on the order number, so against each order number that we have a unique name. Okay, and I'm just having in C column, this is the required output I would like to have. For example, in A2 that we have this order number 3 times repeated, and each in against each order number we have a unique name. Okay, and again, so you guys can look at on first of every order number we are having all the names we have against those order number, right? If you guys can look at in A2, from A2 to A4 we have unique, we have a duplicate order numbers, but again if you will look at the name we have unique. So I am just having the all the concatenation of these three names in the first occurrence of the order number. So now let's do it. How we can do it? Simply here you will have to write the code, you will have to write the function if count if this count is equal to 3, then I would like to concatenate it. Simple. Okay, very simple. If if is 2, then you know this concatenate by this, otherwise simple one line item, right? If you will drag it, so you will be able to say, so this is what that we are getting, but here we are also getting the value. I don't want to have it. I don't want to have, I would like to have the as it is we have in the C column. I would like to print, I would like to have the same in the D column. And how I can achieve that? Now let's do it. Now let's do it. Here you will have to write the one running count if count if is 1, then I would like to have 1. I would like to have this cell, otherwise blank, and freeze the middle A2. You see, this is what we would like to have, right? But I am having it in E column, but I don't want to have it here, right? Just copy it till 1, come here and paste it, and comma, and after that come at the last and give the blank. Simple. Drag it. See, similarly, we are getting the similar output. This is the function we have used. I hope guys this is clarifies, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. So thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.